Hey guys, Luke here, and it's officially iPhone delivery day, and I've got here the Graphite iPhone 12 Pro to unbox for you. But before we jump in, just a quick recap. The iPhone 12 Pro includes an all-new flat-edge design, iPhone 4, 5G support, a much faster A14 Bionic chip, more durable ceramic shield front glass that promises up to 4 times better drop protection, and new MagSafe accessories that attach magnetically to the back of the device. The 12 Pro also has some pretty neat camera upgrades from last year's model, with the addition of a LiDAR scanner for night mode portrait, support for Apple's new ProRAW image format coming later this year, and Dolby Vision HDR video recording up to 60 frames per second. But enough of that, I'm really excited about this, so let's take a look inside. Straight off the bat, here you go, this is the new smaller iPhone box that everybody's talking about. Being a Graphite Pro phone, you've got a black box with grey accents on the front in comparison to the white boxes that the regular iPhone 12s are shipping in. All of the other models that Apple hasn't discontinued yet have already started shipping in these slimmed down boxes since last week, so it looks to be the new standard from now on. It's quite a radical change actually, because we've been so used to these chunkier iPhone boxes for so many years now, so let's get inside and see why it's smaller. Peeling off the plastic here and taking off the lid, there you have it. You can see that the phone is right on top face down, showing off that gorgeous frosted glass back and triple camera system. The footprint is basically the whole box with a little bit of extra padding, so you can imagine that the Pro Max will probably be a little bigger and the mini box even smaller. Fun little thing here that I quite like is that there's this little indentation inside the top half of the box for the cameras. I'm guessing that will add a little bit of extra protection during shipping. But enough of that, we might as well peel the plastic off the screen, although it looks a bit more like a paper this year and it's only covering the front of that new 6.1 inch display. It shows you the functions of all the buttons there, pretty clean and simple. So let's finish up the unboxing. We do have the cable here, USB-C to Lightning, no charging brick this year as we found out during the event, but I'm not too fussed about that because I only ever charge wirelessly anyway, and now with MagSafe that's going to be even easier. The only other stuff inside the box is the paperwork, which is all in this little half-size pamphlet holder here. Inside you've got the quick start guide, SIM card removal tool, and a single Apple sticker, so just one white sticker with the iPhones now, and that's it. A super simple unboxing this year, but no less the fun. So that's all for this video. If you have anything you'd like me to do with the phone in particular, then leave that down in the comments below, and hey, if you've made it this far, then be sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you all in the next video.